This is Mr. James, your applying digital marketer. Dive into the world of ChatGPT mastery. I have multiple prompts that help me with these digital tools. Very powerful. And I've created bundles of the projects using ChatGPT. This is where it gets really busy. Check this out, good people. I'm going to give you a little overview of what I'm doing. So here we go, great people. I have multiple prompts and for ChatGPT that I have on different files. It's like, man, this is amazing. So what I'm doing now with these is taking all this knowledge from these prompts, engineering them to give me what I want towards my digital kit. So let me show you what I have to work with. Email marketing, video marketing, customer support, SEO, website, X or Twitter marketing, copywriting, social media, LinkedIn marketing, Facebook ads, lead generation, influence marketer, PR marketing, content marketing. Oh, this is so powerful, good people. Now, let's imagine this. I'm applying chat boxes, PR marketing. What else we have here? TikTok marketing, affiliate marketing, more affiliate, and that's it. So that's all the different prompts I've digged off into. Let me show you my digital packages that I'm talking about that I'm going to use these prompts towards. Hold on one second. So here you go, good people. These are the tools that we have inside of our digital kit site. Now, where are we working on? Where did she go? Hold on one second. Where is it? Okay, here we go. List authority. This is the first project we're working with. Double click on it, and this is what's inside of it. Okay, wow. So I'm taking those prompts and applying it to this digital package. It comes with ebook, checklist, resource, mind map, sales page, lead magnet, graphics, 10 articles, promotional emails, social media, and videos. Click on that, and these are the videos that it comes with. It comes with what's this? A free guide you can give away for Build Your List. The names of all of the videos. Powerful, good people. So this is what I'm doing, okay? So, and it's awesome. Once you learn from these tools and pull the knowledge out and put it back in place, that's when everything changes. Have a great day, good people. Thank you for watching. There's a link on the page. Click it, share, comment. Talk to you soon.